It's not always criticism or fastidiousness. In fact, what it often is a deep desire to be of help and service. Virgo knows that this earthly embodiment is one of becoming more wholesome and pure. Virgo also knows that there is not a single soul on the earth who is perfect, because the very essence of life itself is to move closer towards perfection as much as is humanly possible through the process of self-improvement, and that if we were perfect, there would be no need to be human at all. Virgo knows that this process of perfecting is created through efficiency and elimination by making mistakes. Everything that we are attached to becomes a liability for maintenance, and it's through this maintenance that we perform processes to keep things in order and running smoothly. Those outer processes that we perform to stay alive are a direct reflection of our inner world. It is through this lifelong process of improving and detoxifying that Virgo becomes adept at streamlining methods, minimizing effort, and keeping things clean and orderly. And because Virgo has perfected the procedures with which they engage, their eye is immediately drawn to that which they are expert in, seeing anything that is none of those things. Virgo is often driven by this attitude of getting things right, as well as leaving things tidy, and this is to prevent an escalation into chaos or eventual crisis. It's because of this natural ability to see what is not orderly through their history of improvement which prevents a collapse into disorder, and which is why Virgo is often compelled to point out those details. That's not the voice of disapproval. That's a person who is trying to help improve life through compassion, method, and efficiency for everybody. That's the mark of a capable individual who understands that the universe within is reflected through the universe without, and that by cleaning up the outer is cleaning up the inner experience. That's a soul who wants to be of service to help others preserve life through function. That's not somebody who is overly critical and doesn't care. That's a person who cares so much that they feel compelled to use their energy to help others care too, by showing them how to be their best.